Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Peru, a country that boasts an incredible tapestry of breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Nestled in the heart of South America, Peru is home to some of the most stunning natural wonders and historical treasures on the planet. From the majestic peaks of the Andes Mountains to the lush greenery of the Amazon rainforest, every corner of this diverse nation offers something unique and captivating. In this video, we will take you on a journey through Peru's most amazing places, including the iconic Machu Picchu, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that stands as a testament to the ingenuity of the Inca civilization. We'll also explore the vibrant city of Cusco, once the capital of the Inca Empire, where ancient history meets modern culture. But it's not just the historical sites that make Peru special. The country is also known for its stunning natural beauty. Picture the breathtaking landscapes of the Sacred Valley, the colorful Rainbow Mountain, and the serene Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world. Join us as we delve into the unique experiences that Peru has to offer, from its delicious cuisine to its warm and welcoming people. Get ready to be inspired by the wonders of Peru and discover why this remarkable country should be on every traveler's bucket list. Machu Picchu, often referred to as the lost city of the Incas, stands as a remarkable testament to the ingenuity and architectural prowess of the ancient Incan civilization. Built in the 15th century, this iconic site showcases the Incas' advanced understanding of engineering and agriculture, with its terraced fields and intricate stone structures that blend seamlessly into the surrounding landscape. The precision with which these stones were cut and assembled without mortar is a marvel that continues to captivate visitors from around the globe. Reaching Machu Picchu is an adventure in itself, with several hiking trails leading to this breathtaking destination. The Inca Trail, a 4-day trek through stunning mountain scenery and lush cloud forests, is one of the most popular routes, offering hikers a chance to experience the beauty of the Andes while following in the footsteps of the Incas. For those seeking a shorter journey, the scenic train ride from Cusco to Aguas Calientes provides a comfortable alternative, culminating in a short bus ride up to the site. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Machu Picchu holds immense cultural significance, symbolizing the rich history and achievements of the Incan people. Its preservation allows us to connect with a civilization that thrived in harmony with nature, making it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking to understand the depth of Peru's heritage and the breathtaking beauty of its landscapes. Nestled between the towering peaks of the Andes, the Sacred Valley is a cultural gem that offers a vibrant glimpse into Peru's rich heritage and stunning landscapes. This picturesque region is dotted with traditional villages, such as Pisac and Ollantaytambo, where local markets come alive with colorful textiles, handcrafted goods, and fresh produce. These markets not only provide a unique shopping experience but also serve as a hub for cultural exchange, allowing visitors to engage with the warm and welcoming local communities. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to explore in the Sacred Valley, with activities ranging from hiking and biking to discovering ancient ruins. The valley is home to numerous trails that lead to breathtaking viewpoints and archaeological sites, including the impressive fortress of Ollantaytambo and the terraced agricultural fields of Moray. Each step taken in this enchanting landscape reveals the beauty of nature and the ingenuity of the Incan civilization. Historically, the Sacred Valley played a crucial role in Incan agriculture, serving as a fertile area for growing crops such as maize and potatoes. The valley's unique microclimates allowed for diverse agricultural practices which were essential for sustaining the Incan Empire. Today, the Sacred Valley remains a vital part of Peru's cultural identity, offering visitors a chance to connect with the past while enjoying the stunning scenery and rich traditions that define this remarkable region. Lake Titicaca, renowned as the highest navigable lake in the world, is a breathtaking expanse of deep blue water nestled high in the Andes, straddling the border between Peru and Bolivia. This stunning lake is not only a natural wonder, but also a cultural treasure, home to unique floating islands made of totora reeds. These islands are inhabited by the Uros people, an indigenous community that has thrived for centuries on the lake. Visitors can explore these remarkable islands, witnessing firsthand the traditional lifestyle of the Uros, who rely on fishing, weaving, and crafting for their livelihoods. The cultural richness of Lake Titicaca extends beyond its floating islands. The lake holds significant importance in local mythology, often regarded as the birthplace of the sun and the Inca civilization. According to legend, the first Incas, Manco Capac and Mama Ocolo, emerged from the lake, making it a sacred site for many indigenous communities. This deep-rooted spirituality is reflected in the customs and traditions that continue to thrive in the region. For those looking to immerse themselves in the local culture, boat tours offer a fantastic opportunity to explore the lake's beauty while engaging with its inhabitants. Visitors can participate in cultural exchanges, learning about traditional crafts, music, and cuisine. Lake Titicaca is not just a destination, it is a vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty waiting to be discovered. The Nazca Lines, a series of enormous geoglyphs etched into the arid landscape of southern Peru, continue to captivate the imagination of historians, archaeologists, and travelers alike. Spanning over 200 square miles, these intricate designs include various shapes such as animals, plants, and geometric patterns, with the most famous being the hummingbird, monkey, and spider. The true meaning behind these ancient creations remains a mystery, with interpretations ranging from astronomical calendars to religious symbols, suggesting that they may have held significant cultural or spiritual importance for the Nazca civilization. Numerous theories have emerged regarding the creation and purpose of the Nazca Lines. Some researchers propose that they were made as offerings to the gods, while others believe they served as markers for water sources or ceremonial pathways. The sheer scale and precision of these geoglyphs raise questions about the advanced knowledge and techniques possessed by the Nazca people, who thrived between 200 BCE and 600 CE. To fully appreciate the grandeur of the Nazca Lines, aerial tours provide the best vantage point. These flights allow visitors to soar above the geoglyphs, offering a breathtaking perspective that reveals their true scale and complexity. For those seeking a more grounded experience, viewing platforms along the Pan American Highway provide glimpses of select lines. Regardless of how you choose to experience them, the Nazca Lines remain an enigmatic testament to the ingenuity and creativity of an ancient civilization, inviting exploration and wonder. The Amazon rainforest in Peru is a breathtaking biodiversity hotspot, teeming with an astonishing array of flora and fauna. Covering over 60% of the country, this vast ecosystem is home to more than 40,000 plant species, 1,300 bird species, and countless mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. Iconic wildlife such as jaguars, sloths, and pink river dolphins thrive in this lush environment, while vibrant orchids and towering trees create a stunning canopy that supports life at every level. The Amazon is not just a habitat, it is a living laboratory of evolution and adaptation. Ecotourism opportunities abound in the Amazon, allowing visitors to experience its wonders while promoting responsible travel practices. Guided tours through the rainforest offer immersive experiences, from canoeing along winding rivers to hiking through dense jungle trails. Many eco-lodges prioritize sustainability, providing accommodations that minimize environmental impact and support local communities. Travelers are encouraged to respect wildlife, follow designated paths, and engage with indigenous cultures in a way that honors their traditions and knowledge. Conservation efforts are crucial in protecting the Amazon rainforest as it faces threats from deforestation, climate change, and illegal activities. Organizations and local communities are working tirelessly to preserve this vital habitat, recognizing its importance not only for biodiversity, but also for global climate regulation. By supporting ecotourism and conservation initiatives, visitors can play a role in safeguarding the Amazon for future generations, ensuring that its incredible biodiversity continues to thrive. Cusco, once the capital of the Inca Empire, is a city steeped in rich history and vibrant culture, making it a must-visit destination in Peru. The architectural landscape of Cusco is a stunning blend of Incan and Spanish colonial influences. Visitors can marvel at the impressive stone walls of ancient temples such as the Coricancha, which once served as the Incas' most important religious site, juxtaposed against the ornate facades of colonial churches like the Cathedral of Cusco. This unique fusion of styles tells the story of a city that has evolved over centuries, reflecting the resilience and adaptability of its people. As the gateway to some of Peru's most iconic attractions, Cusco serves as a launching point for adventures to Machu Picchu, the Sacred Valley, and the Inca Trail. Travelers often find themselves enchanted by the city's charm, taking time to explore its cobblestone streets, bustling markets, and vibrant plazas before embarking on their journeys to these remarkable sites. Cusco's cultural heritage is further celebrated through its local cuisine and lively festivals. Traditional dishes such as ceviche, lomo saltado, and the hearty cuy, or guinea pig, offer a taste of the region's culinary delights. Throughout the year, colorful festivals like Inti Raymi, the Festival of the Sun, showcase the city's rich traditions and deep-rooted connections to its Incan past. In Cusco, history and culture come alive, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in a truly unforgettable experience. In this video, we have journeyed through the incredible wonders of Peru, highlighting the rich cultural significance and breathtaking landscapes that make this country a must-visit destination. From the awe-inspiring Machu Picchu, a testament to the ingenuity of the Incan civilization, to the vibrant Sacred Valley, where traditional villages and stunning scenery coexist, Peru offers a unique blend of history and natural beauty. We also explored the enchanting Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world, and the mysterious Nazca Lines, which continue to intrigue and inspire curiosity. The Amazon rainforest, with its unparalleled biodiversity, and the historical capital of Cusco, where Incan and Spanish colonial architecture harmoniously blend, further showcase the diverse experiences that await travelers in Peru. Each of these locations not only tells a story of the past, but also invites visitors to engage with the living culture and traditions of the Peruvian people. We encourage you to explore these amazing places and immerse yourself in the rich experiences that Peru has to offer. Whether you are hiking the Inca Trail, savoring local cuisine, or participating in vibrant festivals, there is something for everyone in this remarkable country. If you enjoyed this journey through Peru's wonders, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting travel content that will inspire your next adventure.